Here we have to integrate 1 minus x cube the whole cube with respect to x. So first of all, we assign the integral a name, say I. So let I be equal to integration of 1 minus x cube the whole cube dx. Now here we apply the formula a minus b the whole cube. Now we know that a minus b the whole cube could be expanded as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now in this case a is 1 and b is x cube. So applying the formula we obtain a cube, that's 1 cube, minus 3 into a square, that is 3 into 1 square, into b is x cube, plus 3 into a, that is 1, into b square, that is x cube the whole square, minus b cube, that is x cube the whole cube. Now further, if we simplify, we obtain, now 1 cube is 1 minus, now 3 times 1 square, 1 square is 1, so 3 ones are, that gives us 3 into x cube, plus, now 3 ones are is 3, x cube the whole square, so 2 3s are, that becomes 6, so we have 3 times x raised to 6 minus, now here 3 3s are becomes 9, so we have minus x raised to 9 dx. And now we could easily integrate each of these terms and we obtain integration of 1, which is a constant, so it's 1 into x, so that's x, minus 3 times integration of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4, plus 3 times integration of x raised to 6 is x raised to 7 upon 7, minus integration of x raised to 9 is x raised to 10 upon 10 plus c. So this is the required integral value.